Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect the FBK markets to MT5, aka the MetaTrader 5. And for this, first what you need to do is go to trading accounts and create an account. So we click on demo, select live, select MT5, account type, micro account, currency, USD, leverage, yeah, you can decide, but I want 1 to 100, and then we click on create account. Once we created this account, you also get this notification right here. But if you now go to our mail and select this mail, you find here all the information that you need for your account. So what we're gonna do now is we go back, platforms, and then we click here on download. Then we click here on FBK markets. Yes, and right now we click on next. And now he's downloading the MetaTrader 5. Then in a few seconds, we can click on finish. And then after that, he will start up MetaTrader 5 on our PC, and then we can go through the settings. So now we click here on finish, and then boom, there it is. And right now we want to link FBK market. So we click on file, open an account, and then we search here for FBK markets, and then do find your company. There it is. Then we do next. And right now we need to log in with our details that we received in our mail. So we go to this. So my account ID is my login right there. Oh, sorry. Then we do this. And then we need our password or master password. So we do that. And then right now go back, paste here, and then we do finish with the nice sound. And right now we just logged in to our account with the MetaTrader 5. So this is how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.